Welcome back to our channel. For today's topic, I'm going to show you how you can install or download YouTube app on your iPhone. Let us begin by opening the App Store on your device and then tap the search button located at the bottom right of the screen. On the search bar above, search for the YouTube app. Now select the specific app. In here, tap the download button below and wait for it to finish downloading. Once the download is finished, tap the open button. Here, it will ask you permission to allow YouTube to send you notifications. You can choose whether you want it or not. For the last step, sign in on YouTube using your Gmail, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.